creating the drone to mouse script. So this script is something that I decided to add on just to give it a bit more believability that there's something there actually moving the object. So what I'm going to do is find a drone in anything world browser and add that to my scene. The next thing I want to do is create a script for this drone. I'm just opening up the hierarchy of the drone and just adjusting rotation of the drone so that it's always facing one of the objects that we're going to be picking. Then I need to just go into the inspector for the object and add a script. So this is the only part of only C# that we're going to be using. We're going to call this script drone movement. We're going to be calling this drone mouse position. Okay, so once I've created the script, I just want to go in and edit the script in Visual Studio. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're only going to be using the void update, so we're not going to be using the void start. We also want to create a serialized field. What this serialized field is going to be housing is the camera. So we want to create a slot that you can drop the camera into. And the reason for this is that it's going to be using a raycast from the camera to see where the mouse position is on the screen. So just type in serialized field private camera main camera. You don't need the void start, so I'm just going to delete that. Okay, so the main thing that we need to do is just figure out set the logic for the raycast. So we want to do a ray coming from the main camera. So we're going to type in ray equals main camera dot screen point to ray. So basically what that function is going to be doing is doing the point of the screen or from the focal point or the view of the camera. It's going to do a raycast to wherever the mouse is. So to add that part of the function is just input dot mouse position. We also want to add an if function. And for this function, it's just going to be a simple the raycast physics that we need. So we need open and close brackets physics.raycast. And similar to what you might have seen in the visual scripting earlier, we just need a raycast hit. So the raycast is seeing where the position of the mouse is, and it's choosing to say that is if it's a hit, then it would move the object that we have selected along with it, which in this case is going to be the drone. So that's where and this is where the movement part comes in. So we're going to just be adding a transform dot position, and we're going to do based on whatever the raycast is hit. And that's all we need for our code. So we just save that. Check in your console to see if there's any errors. And once that's done, you can see that you've got your main camera. This is already added to the object, so that's the tool that's going to be moved. So we just drag the main camera in, click on play, and it should be moving the drone with the position of the mouse. So there you go, you can see the mouse position and the drone position goes hand in hand.